Hi there, I'm Kelly. This is my husband, Michael. We've been married just over 16 years, and we got to come and experience a week at Arkana together, which sharing this experience and journey together has been amazing, and I think has deepened our relationship together. Would you agree?
Yeah, we have the gift of having a year off, and so I think we both look at this as an opportunity to come together, reset, and kind of start our year off strong. It's been wonderful. I would say that the nice part about this journey has been both, this place has given us the space to have our separate experiences, but then also the two of us, I think, have gotten to know each other a lot better and maybe share things that I think probably both of us have separately known or experienced, but never really have talked about it together. So just
And to really see each other experience the struggle of what they're going through gives you a deeper understanding of it, which is really beautiful.
Yeah, we're both about to spend 3 months together on a sailboat, so it's really nice to be able to come together here and sort of understand what we're both going through and kind of where we are in our lives. But I think more than anything, just seeing the ability for us to both see us in our shit, in our lows, in our highs, the pain that we both sort of carry from life, from our families, from just the journey that we've been on together, but also the beauty of not only kind of what's in you, and kind of learning more about each other has meant a ton.
It has, definitely. I think we walked in the doors and we left everything else behind, and it was really just about our journeys here. So no other of the day-to-day concerns or issues, and just left all that behind, and we were focused on our journeys. And I think a beautiful thing that Michael and I are able to do is give each other space for our individual experiences. When we need alone time, we give each other that space, but then also being able to come together at times and share what we're going through and what we're struggling with or what we're enjoying. And it takes it to a deeper level for me, both personally and for us as a unit.
We're a unit.
I said unit. And obviously have to stay lighthearted through it all.
But I would just say I really appreciate, I think we both had a little apprehension coming here together, because I think we both wanted to, neither of us had done it before, the working with plant medicine, and B, just what would it mean for us to really be able to share at that level. And I think for sure, we are a lot stronger now than kind of a week ago. And I think just a lot more comfortable being able to express things that maybe in the past we either kind of didn't understand in each other or
Held back.
maybe didn't appreciate.